Well, here we are the day after our snowstorm. Clear blue skies and sunshine. That feels so good. Can't believe how much the snow has melted. Did get a little bit of sun poke through just before sunset last night. So a lot of this has melted right off. I was pleased to see this was a big pool of, gosh, almost 2 inches of water from the melted snow, and it's all soaked into the ground, so no more puddle. Just some water dripping off the awning thing here. Ah, what a beautiful morning. I'm gonna get inside there and make myself a cup of tea. And I think it's a campfire morning. I'm gonna get a little fire going so I can warm up out here. It is still quite chilly. The low this morning was 24, but from here on out, it's a warm up. Looking forward to that. Okay, have one more night here, then it'll be time to move on. Still got quite a bit of snow over on the hillsides there. I'm sure that's all gonna melt off over the next day or two, these warmer temps. It's supposed to get up into the 50s today. There's only a high of 35 yesterday. I actually wasn't sure if this little kettle here was induction compatible, but it actually is. I was surprised because I put a magnet to it and it's not very ferrous, but it's enough for the induction to pick up. So hot tea momentarily. Doing good on power. I'm still going to get my solar panels set up as soon as possible, take advantage of this sun. But yeah, I think I'm going to start using this induction cooktop more and more. It's not as much of a power suck as I thought it was. Okay, we've got the panels out, charging. Fire is going. Tea is ready. Oh yeah. Oh, that sun feels good. All right, we are approaching lunchtime here. I'm gonna get my little grill set up. Parts. Okay. Well, we're starting to get a little bit of a breeze here, so I think I'm gonna go like this. A little bit of a windbreak there. Does this turn? No. Nice if that turned. Okay, it's time to get our prep going here. Our onions, tomatoes. I'm gonna make up a little sriracha mayo sauce. We'll get that going first. Ooh, I don't need too much. I'm getting down there on my sriracha sauce. I have a backup already. Okay, get our tomatoes sliced up. All right, put a towel down there. I notice this table's kind of grimy. Okay, I think the charcoal is just about ready. Formed up some patties this morning and had them kept in the fridge here. These are about 1/4 pound each. Gosh, it is nice out today. There we go. Oh, it is just beautiful in the sunshine today. Really loving this. for the flip. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna get some cheese on there, warm the buns up a little bit. Uh-oh, what am I gonna do with the extra? Okay, I am gonna have 2 hamburgers. I did not have anything for breakfast. So this is gonna be a hearty lunch. Should have staggered these. But I'm gonna go ahead and warm up just 1 bun for now. I'll probably just pull that second patty off to the side. Okay, got a nice toast on that first bun there. Let's get this ready. Got our sriracha mayo sauce. A little bit of this chopped lettuce, bottom. Onion. Tomato. Okay, that one's ready. Oh yeah, second buns are looking good. Those ready to get dressed up. Okay, I'm just gonna set that off to the side to keep it warm. Oh yeah, that is like a perfect burger. Bam. Oh yeah, lunch is on. That is looking delicious. Well, this may be an unpopular opinion, but I kind of prefer a thinner patty when it comes to a hamburger. If it's too thick, it just kind of throws off the balance of the other ingredients. This is just, dang, did a good old job. Well, this is a wonderful turnaround from the snowstorm yesterday. I did not think all this snow was going to melt off this fast. This is just beautiful. The wind being down, I don't even know what the temps are. I think it's supposed to be a high of, like 55, but it just feels perfect with no wind. This is my kind of camping. I think I'm going to get camp tidied up here after lunch and go for a little hike. See if I can explore around the campground a little bit. Get my body moving, get a little exercise in. I call that a 10 when it comes to a burger. At least for my taste. Oh, yeah. Well, we're getting out for a little walk today around camp, and this snow is melting fast. It is warmed up. I brought my coat, but I don't even need to wear it. I'm going to take this forest road up over the hillside so we can get a view of this canyon over here. Wow, it's actually warm out here in the sun once you get moving. I'm down to a t-shirt. This is great. Just beautiful out here. Well, we came up around the back side of the hill that overlooks the campground here. Let's see if we can get a glimpse of my camp. Wow. What a view. Where are we at here? Yeah, it is the campground down there. Let's see if we can see my site. There's a little Astro right in the middle there. Yeah, well, there's some pretty deep cracks in these rocks here. It goes down about 6 feet, maybe 7. Well, I'm just perched up on the cliffside here above the campground. It's an absolutely beautiful day. View from up here. It is just so expansive out here. Beautiful. Soil here is very sandy. These big patches of sandstone just all over the ground. Really neat terrain. These pinyon pines seem to be doing really good out here. Some of the junipers don't look so good, but these pinyons are all super vibrant green. Pine cones thriving. A wide angle shot here. The views out here are just awesome. Whole lot of wilderness out there. Okay, so I hiked around the back side of this cliff. I was sitting right up on the ledge there. Well, we made it back. Home sweet home. Well, thank you all for joining me for another wonderful day of camping out here in New Mexico. For those of you who don't know, I have a seasonal job lined up. I actually need to be in North Dakota in about 12 days from now. I have a seasonal job lined up that's probably going to last about a month or so, and as usual, I bring you guys along and document the seasonal job and share it with you. Hopefully it'll be informational and entertaining at the same time. And I just want to give a big special thank you to all my new viewers, old-time viewers, regular viewers, channel members, and Patreon members. I really appreciate you all greatly, and I hope to see you very soon in the next video. Thanks again. Take care. Peace.